Everyone, it's me again. I am still using the camcorder, new camcorder. I did put it in standard definition instead of high definition. Wanted to see how well that works in standard definition. I know it seems to be a pretty decent camera. Come on. Because I don't have much of a battery charge, because it is showing it has 1 bar battery life. And it is a little bit after 11 Thursday. I won't be loading any videos tomorrow because I usually take Fridays off and Saturdays. And with Friday being my birthday, I will probably do a little bit of something tomorrow, but I'm not for sure. It is wet and rainy out. Like I said, I don't know how well this is going to look in standard definition. I guess we'll see. So I got the keys covering up the lens. And there's a train coming, so imagine that. It's like 12:20 or 11:25. These batteries don't seem to last very long. Like I said, these batteries don't seem to last very long. But yeah, putting it on standard definition, I don't know how well the video is going to turn out, everyone. Stay right there, I'll be right back. seatbelt on because there's a state trooper there. I always wear my seatbelt when I'm going somewhere, but from the post office from the house to the post office, I don't really wear it. But yeah, I wouldn't have had to wait, but I had 2 trains. And I will need to charge these batteries because supposedly they're low. Not a bad day overall. It's 56 degrees out. It's 11:30. The only thing we got in the mail was the paper. So yeah. Well, everyone, I am home now. I'm going to stop right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.